Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the app version and that you have edit rights. This matters because preview behavior depends on permissions. Once ready, open the preview and locate the note overlay icon or inline note marker. It's usually near the margin. Make a quick backup copy or snapshot so you can revert if needed. Then enter the preview's contextual toolbar and select the note to begin removal. This gives you control over the note object without altering the base content. You should now focus on selecting the note precisely, because removing the wrong element can affect layout. Once selected, choose Remove or Delete from the contextual menu. If a keyboard shortcut exists, use Del or CMD plus backspace to speed things up. If the note is linked to a reference or anchor, unlink or remove that reference first, since deleting a linked note can leave broken links. After deletion, inspect surrounding content in Preview to confirm spacing and formatting. Finish by refreshing the preview so cached renderings don't show the removed note. This ensures you see the current state. If the note persists, clear the app cache or restart the preview session. Sometimes preview layers reapply stale annotations. Make sure to reflow content and check headers or footers for residual markers. If layout breaks, restore your backup copy and repeat the unlink then delete steps more cautiously. That's the single most reliable troubleshooting approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.